So we're at the Wild Thyme Cafe. It's 3:33 p.m. It's time to eat. We haven't had anything to eat since breakfast, and we've been biking. Our food has arrived. Good morning, guys. Here's my view this morning. The sun is up. There it is. Here's Camperdown. Light to moderate traffic this morning. A few people heading into Zion. Oh wow, and I can hear roosters. What? Bro! I'm loving life right now. Alright guys, so we just checked out. I just wanted to show you guys. So this is the community area here, where you can come and have a fire. And they have grills. All of this is included in the resort fee. And it's really nice. Really nice place. The view is great. And I got some really good sleep. Like really, really good. I definitely recommend this place. See, there's a place for the kids to play. And then there's a hot tub and a pool also, but the pool's not heated. We're going to be heading into Zion. And today you guys are going to get a POV type video. Trying to get to the stop sign, go left, right?
Yeah. That's so crazy that you can go one place one time and you already know. You can drive us around anywhere. I just love you.
Well, thank you.
Thank you for my birthday.
You're very welcome.
It ain't done yet. It ain't over. Yeah, turn left. Hotel right there, but honestly, I would have preferred to stay there than in a hotel.
Right.
I want to stay in one of the yurts sometime.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Yurts. So you're just going to stay on this for 13 miles until you arrive at Zion.
Awesome.
So along the way, we got to find a place to eat.
For breakfast, we decided to stop in at the Camp Outpost Cafe. So we just had breakfast and we're now heading back to the rig so we can head into the park. Guys, it's cold in the shade, but in the sunlight, it's nice and warm.
Yeah.
Like, it is really nice. Like, dude, how many attempts do you have to park?
Right. Well, I hope you don't zip back again while we're coming behind him.
You better not.
Dude. It's 30 through here.
I haven't hit 30 yet.
Okay, just let you know. That actually looks pretty decent. He's moved. I think it's 35.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I got it.
Exactly enough.
Alright, receipt is your pass.
Thank you. You too. Oh, it's about valid through 314. Oh, there's a museum coming up on the left-hand side. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Scenic overlook. It comes up right there. It comes up and comes back down. So, you know, if you miss something, we can just see it on the way out. We're trying to get to an actual walking trail.
Bro, this roadway goes all the way up here. Are you kidding me? There's nothing but switchbacks too.
These are real switchbacks.
Yeah, Kilter Road ain't got nothing on this right now. And when Otto said, yeah, our switchbacks are perpendicular, well, guess what?
Wow, Zion is massive. Oh, they were filming from the top of their vehicle. Yeah, we'll do the pull-offs on the way down.
Just give me a second. Let me film this. Guys, this video does not do this rock face any justice. You just have to be here to see it.
All right.
All right, so we're now on the Utah e-bike adventures. We're here doing the e-bike rental. So we're now on the e-bike, taking our time pedaling around here.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, that is pretty. Wow. Our food has arrived. Dessert.
I'm gonna get mine before I eat it. Look what I got.
Awesome. And that's apple crisp. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end today's video here. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if so, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Chris, and thanks again for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a pathfinder, on or off the pavement.